Okay, we are back again. I have been quite sick for about a week. Basically just disappeared off the face of the internet. But, well, I'm still a little bit sick, but I was vibing it. I was vibing it. I was ready to go. I was ready to get back to it. Do start with some tragic news, though. Everything from main.c from last time is gone. So pretty soon after I ended the recording, my whole screen locked up, and when I returned, the file had been completely wiped. So main.c was a 0 byte file with nothing in it, and I had to restore it from a git commit. So we lost everything from last time. Maybe what is this? I think this is 29, so 28. Oh, what happened here? Did I crash it? I guess so. So if we just zoom through what we were doing last time, that's right. Yeah, I actually got around to doing the YIV encoding. Oh yeah, having to redo that would be annoying, but I don't think we need to, because I think what we discovered last time is that the way that it's laid out, despite being a planar format, it's laid out as just a one continuous stream, with, I think it's the Y, then R, then B channels. I think just in that order, all the Y. Like you have 4 Ys, and then you have, in our case, 4 blues and 4 reds, but I have to relook into that because I think we saw that inside one of the existing codecs. So yeah, I'm going to skip doing all that again. It was also a giant pain in the ass to type, so good riddance. I don't think I ended up doing that here. I think that got moved, right? Because I had the fake, yeah, here we go. I had a fake format, which relied on using internal FFmpeg state, but I think I want to try to replicate this. I think this is maybe the way to go. Yeah, let's just zoom through this a little bit more, because it'd be nice to copy all this stuff. But I think what ended up happening was extra data, I believe, the other thing I've been trying to avoid learning about forever. But we'll zoom through a bit more. Because it doesn't feel like I should have to take care of that, right? Like, it doesn't feel like extra data for the decoder has anything to do with, for the encoder, has anything to do with the format, which is what we're doing up here, right? So I remember that being my complaint at the time, that although it keeps complaining in Matroshka about extra data not being present, that doesn't, like, fundamentally doesn't feel like it's the job of a format to set that. You know, the format for the demuxer and then the extra data for the encoder. These feel unrelated. So let's just zoom through here. Just zoom through all this. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how the pixel format conversion happens. That's right. I was considering, is this in Matroshka? Where's this? No. I was considering trying to trace exactly through, if when you try to do an X11 screen capture in FFmpeg, the command line, exactly what, I guess, pipeline does it set up? Because somewhere it does a pixel conversion from RGB to YIV. I mean, it can if you ask it to, but somewhere it does that. It's not clear where that happens. So let's keep zooming through. This is in image utils, which is possibly where it happens, but might also run that through a GDB session to see if we can figure out what happens. In fact, that's probably a good plan. Is that the end? Yeah, it's the end. Okay. We still going? We are. The first thing I'm going to do is I actually am going to I actually am going to try to format x11 grab I as I guess 0 for the input, but we also want like screen size 1920 by 1080, I think. And then I think pixel format can actually go anywhere. Or we could just go 444. Nah, we'll go 420, doesn't matter. And then we'll I mean, we probably don't need to do that. Well. Oh, yeah. It's under local bin ffmpeg. Yeah. Probably like that. Yeah, what the fuck is this? I think this rings a bell as well. It's too recent a version of Dwarf. I mean, that's possible. Unrecognized option screen size. Yeah. I actually don't care. Lazy binding failed, undefined symbol, AV dict iterate. I don't believe you. Library configuration mismatch. You're using different libraries. That's plausible. All right, let's not waste time with that. That's just not working out. I think redoing what we were doing last time with the formats is probably a good place to start. I don't know if we can end there because again, it used internal ffmpeg shenanigans, which I guess is what did we use? Was it from libav format? MPV Rex, I think it's 28. Yeah. Let's skip through this. Skip. No, wait. Did we already miss it? Did we miss it already? Yeah, so we're doing this down here. Ooh, what did we miss? Okay, yep. Oh, did we do this the time before? We might have done that the time before. Yeah, we did. How about that? I think we still have that state stuff around because I don't think the state file got corrupted. Oh, no, I remember we didn't end up keeping it in the state. We moved it to main. Yeah, we moved it over here, which I think is the right choice. Yeah, let's copy that. I think we can get away with that. No, because we need that. Okay. Const AV class, IBS video class. Class name equals IBS video stream. Item name AV default item name. And we want option equals options, versions. And category AV class category device video input, yeah. AV class category device is a video input. Yeah. Okay, and then okay, FF IBS read header. And we need AV format context. And then read header, we have a read packet, which also takes in an AV packet. And then we have a read close. And they all take ints. Okay, const ff import format, and this is the internal part. Yeah. No. It's IVS video stream. And this is this is a no file because we're not grabbing it from a file. And read header equals, yeah, that one. Right, and the private data size, none. Okay. Yeah, live dmux.h and live AV format. Wow, that was uncanny. Dmux.h and to figure this out. I'm sure one day we'll figure it out. But yeah. Why did we need to do this?